In recent years, drone racing has become a popular new sport, with lots of enthusiasts all over the world building, flying and racing their own drone aircraft. In this video, one enthusiastic builder and racer, Seb Lock, takes one of his creations out for a spin over the awesome Wild at Heart swing bridge, near Makara Peak, in Wellington, New Zealand. If you're not much into music, then just turn the sound down and watch the amazing visuals, but either way, this incredible first-person view footage simply highlights just how nimble and maneuverable these racing aircraft are. Oh, and don't forget to see if you can spot any hobbits in the bush. Similar to full-size air racing, the goal of drone racing is to complete a set course as quickly as possible. The sport began in Australia in late 2013 or early 2014, with a number of amateur pilots getting together for semi-organized races in Brisbane and Melbourne. In first-person view drone racing, the pilot only sees what the drone sees. This is accomplished by live streaming footage from a camera mounted on the drone, and this is transmitted via radio to goggles worn by the pilot. I wonder, do you have what it takes to fly like this?
Yeah, you're right, that's good.
Hi, it's Bruce here. Remember, we've got a wide variety of awesome video here on the Historical Machines TV channel. Please hit the subscribe button and ring the notification bell so that you're kept up to date when we release new videos.